Instagram hashtag secret. Do you want to use hashtags on your posts mindfully? Do you forget to add hashtags or add them haphazardly out of laziness? It is easy to find hashtags for one post, but it's hard to find hashtags for 50 posts. It's difficult to make every hashtag set under your posts unique and non-repetitive. We have a simple life hack for how to make your hashtag strategy simple and easy to use without any excuses. The life hack is keyboard shortcuts. What do you need for the hashtag life hack? A great hashtag generator. Keyboard shortcuts. Here is a special tool for finding hashtags in just minutes, millions of relevant keywords for any of your Instagram posts. Go to the hashtag generator. Upload a photo or enter a keyword for your content. Tick those hashtags that you think are relevant for the content. Try to use hashtags that are connected to the one topic. This can be a model, color, any property of your service or product. Choose 30 hashtags that will stand in one group by one same indication. Tap copy in the box under your chosen hashtags. Now we need to paste these hashtags in the keyboard shortcuts. Open Settings on your smartphone. Find Keyboard Settings. Choose Shortcuts. Enter a set of hashtags as a phrase. Give it a short name, just a few letters that will help you to recognize this set fast. Create as many sets of hashtags as you need. After this simple setup, you will just type a few letters under your post caption, the letters you set as your shortcut, and your phone will offer to replace them with a set of freshly generated hashtags.